went in and got some fluids in it. I know the seat hadn't been finished, graphics aren't on, chain's not on. It's not ready to go, but we've leak checked. No gas is leaking, no antifreeze is leaking yet. Take this out. And let's see if she'll fire up. I can't wait until it's finished to check. Oh. She is crisp. Maybe just play with the idle a little bit. We'll get it broke in and see how she runs. Seat done, graphics on, heat cycle's done, and we'll take it for a ride. That's awesome, guys. I can't believe how good she sounds. All right, so the YZ is finished. It's been heat cycled, broke in, and is ready to take it out for the first ride.
Heck yeah.
So Jeremy's over here with me.
Looks awesome, man. You killed it.
We'll get it fired up.
First ride. Gotta love them two-strokes.
Well, I'm trying to go with tennis shoe on too.
Yeah.
but and get it warmed up.
Yeah.
But
Bogging just a hair.
yeah, if it's not warmed up, it's bogging when you blip it. It might do better as it warming up a little bit, but it'll hit.
That's fine.
I can't wait to get that whatever little carburetor adjustment we gotta get done to it.
Oh yeah.
And
That pipe sounds really good.
oh, it sounds so good.
Yeah. I love it. Hell of a job.
I ditched my camera back here.
Did you fall
My
off?
hat flew off.
I was wondering if I was
I'll
gonna
have to
hang
get a
on
strap for next time,
there. Yeah.
or just put my helmet on.
That's cool, man.
Dude,
That's cool.
finally done.
Heck yeah. Now we gotta take her to the track.
Yep.